My name is Roberto Torres, one of the participants in NMM Philippine KSA. I'm in OFW residing here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Today is my first time to get financial assistance from the community amounting to 50,000 pesos. I started participating and providing help last September 2015, amounting to 2,500 pesos. I am happy to be a part of this community. Thank you to all those provided financial assistance and to Mr. Sergey Magbrody, our founder. Long live MMM together. We can change the world.